I am Goddess Saraswati. I give you good knowledge, wisdom, and intelligence.
I am Goddess Lakshmi. I give you prosperity, goodness in health, wealth, and give you success. I am Mother Durga, the warrior. I protect the goodness from evil. I give you strength, remove your fears, and protect you always.
Good morning everyone. We welcome you to the Dasara Assembly 2021, organized by the Interfaith Society of AIS. Dasara is a major Hindu festival commonly celebrated in the Asian countries such as India, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh. Dasara is a Hindu festival that spans 9 nights and 10 days and is held every year in the autumn. It is the festival which celebrates the triumph of good over evil. The legend has it that Lord Rama, along with his brother Lakshman, Hanuman prayed for Shakti, which is strength to defeat Ravana. Henceforth, Lord Rama worshipped Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati for 9 nights and 10 days to obtain the strength to kill Ravana, who had kidnapped Sita, Lord Rama's wife.
Ravana was the king of Sri Lanka and rather an evil. Sita resided in Sri Lanka when Ravana kidnapped her. Therefore, the festival holds relevance to the Hindus in Sri Lanka too. Thus, the festival is known as Dasara. Das meaning 10 and Hara meaning defeat. The 3-day periods are dedicated to the 3 deities. The first 3 days are dedicated to the goddess Durga. Idols of goddess Durga are worshipped in order to gain strength and power. The next 3 days are dedicated to the goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity. The last 3 days are dedicated to the goddess Saraswati for wisdom and knowledge.
In South India, the Hindus celebrate Dasara as Navaratri. Nava means 9 and Ratri means night. It is believed that the goddess Durga killed the demon after fighting for 9 days. The demon Mahishasuran ill-treated everyone, and so Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu created goddess Durga with all their powers and also gifted the weapon to kill the demon. Thus in South India, they pray for all 9 days, dedicating 3 days to goddess Durga, goddess Saraswati and goddess Lakshmi. On the 10th day, it is a new beginning, and to commemorate the new beginning, many children will write their first letters on a plate of rice as they are initiated into the world of learning on this auspicious occasion of Vijayadashami at schools and temples.
Thus, the celebration of Dasara or Navaratri is to represent the victory of good over evil. Every temple in Sri Lanka celebrates Navaratri, with special puja, arranging golu and many programs such as dance and music. All artists perform in the Koval these days. On Vijayadashami, all artists who learn vocal, instruments and dance visit their guru and render their salutations from them. It is a special occasion for all artists. Many children start their music and dance class on this auspicious day.
Gatherings and presenting gifts to each other, worshipping gods, playing devotional music, stage plays, and puja fasting is a part of the festival. You can partake in Dasara festivities at home by decorating with dolls and vibrant designs, spending time with friends and family, and honoring the religious aspect of the holiday. The Navaratri festival is one that is rife with ritualistic practices. Key amongst them is the placing of the traditional deity Kumbam, a metallic pot filled with water, adorned with mango leaves and covered by a shaped coconut to resemble a tomb, which is then placed on a plate of raw rice set down on a banana leaf.
Another significant practice is the arrangement of Golu. This is the display of idols on 9 tiers which depict the gods to represent the 9 nights of Navaratri. Hindu saints, human activities such as weddings and farming and the run of businesses and wooden dolls and animal figurines are placed on these 9 tiers. All families clean and declutter their house. Some draw rangoli with the colorful powders at the entrance of their house. Many families light up their space with diyas or sting lights. For many people, Dasara is a time of religious reflection and fasting.
To observe rituals. Make a miniature Ravana out of craft materials like paper and paint. Burn your Ravana image to represent the victory of good over evil. Worship tools or weapons that symbolize prosperity. To honor other traditions. Wear new clothes to be rewarded with 10 new sets of clothes. Prepare a feast with traditional Indian fare and sweet. Exchange apra leaves with friends and family as gold. 15 days after the Vijayadashami, a festival known as Diwali or the Festival of Lights is celebrated to represent Lord Rama's return to India with victory.
Now we have a dance performance by Taraniga.
नायगी नान्मुही नारायणी कैनडिन पञ्चसायगी शाम्भवी शङ्करि श्यामळै साधिनच्चुवायगी மாலினி வாராகி சூலினி மாதங்கி என்று ஆய கியாதி உடையாள் சரணம் 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 சரணம்
தத்தடி தஜம் தஜம் தாம் தாம் தத்தி தக்கி தத்தண்ண தஜம் தஜம் திம் திம் தண்ண தக்கி தஜொன்னு தஜம் தஜம் தும் தும் ஜொன்னு தக்கி தத்திமி தஜம் தஜம் நும் 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 திமி தக்கி தத்தடி தாம் தத்தண்ண தாம் தஜம் ததிங்கிண்ண தும் ததிங்கிண்ண தும் கிடதக தரிக்கிட தும் தக தரிக்கிட தகம் தகு தரிக்கிட தும் ஓம்கார ரூபிணி शिवकाम सुंदरी शंकरार्धांगिनी सामगान प्रिय पीतांबरालंकृते मीनलोचनि महामाये सर्वमंत्र स्वरूपिणी
ओंकार रूपिणी शिवकाम सुंदरी शंकरार्धांगिनी सामगान प्रिय पीतांबरालंकृते मीनलोचनि महामाये
धिम धरिकिट तुम धरिकिट तद्धन्न धिम धिम धिन्न तुम तद्धिम धिन्न तुम धरिकिट तज्जुनु तुम तुम धिन्न तुम तद्धिम धरिकिट तुम धरिकिट तद्धिम नम नम धिन्न तुम तद्धिम धरिकिट तुम धरिकिट तद्धि धरिकिट तद्धन्न धरिकिट तज्जुनु धरिकिट तद्धिम तद्धिम धरिकिट तुम तकधिम धरिकिट तुम तकधिम धरिकिट तुम सर्व अलंकार भूषित भूषिणि कल्याणि भक्तजनपोषिणि सौभाग्यदायिनि गुरुपूजिते पाहि मां ज्ञानदायिनि नमस्ते नमस्ते सदा लोकपालिनि
सर्वालङ्कारभूषिणि कल्याणि भक्तजनपोषिणि सौभाग्यदायिनि गुरुपूजिते पाहि मां ज्ञानदायिनि नमस्ते नमस्ते सदा लोकपालिनि गुरुपूजिते पाहि मां ज्ञानदायिनि 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 नमस्ते नमस्ते सदा लोकपालिनि सदा लोकपालिनि सदा लोकपालिनि
Next, we have a performance by Tanushree, Tanish, Kavishni, and Achaya.
भगवती हे श्रुति कांति कुदुम्बिनी दूरी कुदुम्बिनी दूरी कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Next, we have a primary school item by Shagashra, Pooja, and Ritishka.
देवी 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 देवी
Director of Studies, Mr. Padmanathan, heads of sections, heads of department, dear teachers, and my dear ladies and gentlemen of AIS. I am pleased to address you at this assembly, which marks and celebrates the diversity of our cultural heritage. Sri Lanka, as you know, is a multi-ethnic, multi-religious country. And Asian International School is one of the few schools in this country which can actually boast of a student population which represents that rich diversity of our country. And it is in this context that I'm really pleased to see assemblies being organized to celebrate significant religious events. Hinduism is probably one of the oldest religions in the world. It is professed by Hindus in Sri Lanka and the world over. And this time of the year really marks a significant aspect of that faith where they pay homage to deity for the blessings that have been received through the year. Dear children, I think we are all aware that we have gone through one of the most difficult times that humanity has faced. It has not spared any country. It has cut across all barriers of race, religion, power, or prosperity. Everyone has been equally affected. But nevertheless, we must be thankful for the blessings that we have had despite the adversity. We are still able to gather as one school, connected virtually. You children have been fortunate to study and even do public exams despite the lockdown. We have been able to cover our syllabus. We have been able to progress in our classes, and we hope that we can come back to school very soon. So these are blessings which we have to be thankful for. The events of song and dance that are celebrated to mark this cultural event is a celebration of life, is a celebration of the newness of life. And that we can be truly be happy about. I wish to thank the Interfaith Society, the teachers in charge, as well as the students who were instrumental in putting this assembly together. Thank you, and a job well done. We now head towards our midterm break, a slightly longer break this time, simply because we started earlier than usual. I hope all of you, both teachers and students, make this short break an opportunity to refresh and revive. I know that school online has been perhaps even more tiring than school physically. It has certainly been very challenging for our teachers, but I know that they have done a very good job. I know the majority of our children have actually engaged in their classes and benefited tremendously. So let's take a well-earned break and come back geared to face the future and be prepared to even face uncertainty, but being resolute and resilient in our resolve to challenge the odds, to overcome the odds, and move ahead in life with confidence. Thank you very much, and I wish you all a peaceful midterm break and looking forward to see you back in school soon. Thank you.
We would like to thank Miss Surangani, Miss Lakmali, Miss Logeshwari, Miss Sumangali, Miss Hamsa, and Miss Subha for your tremendous help and support.
We would also like to thank Sir Razmi, along with the primary and middle school parents, for all your support. That concludes the Dasara assembly. We hope you enjoyed it. Happy Dasara and happy holidays, everyone.